In front of me is Nothing Phone 3a Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. This one. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and tap on Apps. Then hit Default Apps, Home App, and Launcher Pro. Now wait. Hit Allow All in the pop-up, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to make any changes to your layout, just go back into Launcher Pro app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, hit Nothing Phone in Default Home App options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!